Let's start. So today I'm going to discuss about how to create a legacy asset in the system along with the values during migration project. So I have just got a scenario where business has uploaded 99% master data in the system, but there are some asset like 1% assets they need to upload again in the system. So they didn't want to upload through migration cockpit. So they want a transaction code to upload manually. So we have a transaction code AS91 for creating legacy asset, and we have a transaction code ABLDT for uploading the acquisition value and accumulated depreciation value. So before starting, we just need to know. Let's suppose we have asset. It could be any number, live, 5 years, month. I'm just converting 5 into 12, which is 60. So you must know the capitalization date here, which is important. So let's suppose it was capitalized on 1st January 2024 and our transfer balance date is 31st 12 2024. So how many months we have from capitalization date to transfer? 12 month we have. So we need to upload 12-month accumulated depreciation. It would be 60. Let me calculate per month depreciation per month. Okay, first we know the acquisition cost. Acquisition cost is 3,600 euro per month. Acquisition cost divided by number of month. So for calculation of accumulated depreciation, we have 12 months. So I'm just multiplying 60 by 12, which is 720. So we need to take care about capitalization date while creating master data and ordinary depreciation start date, which will be also 1st January 2024. Let me write down here. Okay, so let me write down the journal entry. So in this case, asset will be debit with amounts 3,600 and accumulated depreciation would will be created by 720 euro. So remaining would be goes to balance carry forward, and remaining would be this minus this. So 2880 will be go to balance transfer account. Okay. So let's open SAP. Let me create asset, press enter. Description I'm taking here machinery. Go down. So capitalization date would be 2024 January. Okay. Go to time dependent data to take cost center. Press enter. Go to depreciation areas. So useful life is 10 years. I'm changing 10 to 5 years. Okay. So we are using straight line depreciation. So ordinary depreciation start date is also 1st January, what we discussed. And we have a expired useful life is 1 year. So let me say, okay, go back. Go to transaction code ABLDT. Okay, we have just created this asset. Click on continue. This is acquisition cost 3600, and this is accumulated depreciation, which is 720 euro. Press enter. So I'm not maintaining USC, just post. Go to Asset Explorer. Okay, so in the beginning of 2025, we have a value of 3600, which is acquisition value, and accumulated depreciation would be 7,720. Okay, so if you click here, posted values, so you can see each month depreciation is 60 euro, and it will be expire in 2028, or we can say net book value will be zero in 2028. So you can see it will become positive and negative the same amount. So after this, there will be no change, means there will be no depreciation after 2028. If you want to see the document what we posted, go to 2024 and double click on this document. So you can see this is balance transfer account. Go back and thank you.